Rwanda for civil war, genocide against the Tutsis. It started like this. So at time when I use social media, yes, who chief wa koka se Tutsi wa koka se na kakra and they do Rwanda for civil war no e guy. Try dia tribalistic. Some more year politics, and as I say, yeah, politics. Now, I just say, Baba drag a particular tribe. We are calling for a civil war. Say, I must say, any baby abba. I think our tribe be, I recognize you on say, I think no many saw a tribe love and your tribe confidence in Tino, and Untimu Baba, ma tribe be a performer. We are calling for war. Meme ya Santini, NDC. Say who can MPP for asem na who can say MPP ne tribalism na say wo drag Ashanti for na say bet na opposition so be ka NDC and tribalism be drag notness. How will you feel? Share UDS wo ho and I ba Amsterdam uti usasi kasa o say northern kasa minim tribe we ye but tribe kasa wo ho enso so bet na opposition ka chi ne brofo Sana Bridget body be work wa Ashanti region. Obeka say Ashanti for Ashanti work na mokoye no omo ho pon. O man kan wasem Ashanti kwa meka hye. Mimi hu sa video but ne anya me live say me man ko bi anya masem. O hope you conceive notion way of Ashanti tribe. Just say imagine say akola we dachi bi no Ashanti ni bia be hia no office and Amsterdam na owo no Ashanti ni bia na agent so be position na obe soliate ya ne dinani ama Ashanti ni no na watetie gya NDC. Sa Jiwe ye hye mutiri mu. Enu nti na Ashanti fo no mo kwan mo be party ni e no be party ni mu Jiwe nti wote o ma mo fi me be ka ma asem e kwan yo mo de me nam so niam bia me fife mu e wo NDC mu a e be bumi niam Ashanti fo abem pam pese me kyerem se me medin na me ne de me be person party me fight me an kasa na me fighting wo wa ko school ni akola ka wo kra de unu kra se kasa tribalism e kura ka do be shim Emne bia make akusasi fu asem kwa be delete yem constituency hu di team kyerem so me chicho me gubotom o me fro bi wo e wa ama na be chicho me gubotom aden what are you people taking from Ashantis ama wo bi a wo ko Amstead wo ko school Amstead do Ashanta so gina ho campaign MPP tribalism and you are dragging and disrespecting Ashantis where you are schooling on Ashanti land. It's sad arewo Fasha say 2016 NDC recorded highest votes from Ashanti region. 2024 NDC recorded highest votes in Ashanti region. We recorded votes even higher than the stronghold votes region. Fasha utimu. Maybe constituency kusasi ni ADC. As it stands now, maybe a WhatsApp platform. And kusasi fuwa kugusu ne not nesni bia kugusu say omo empower I am riches omo mugu platforms na. That you know, Oma Bepe constituency executive, no ma pamo Ashanti for the votarians, no if you actually the general constituency executive, no ma babishim. Me ma hakura meka. Because me anya myself say if you cramp me to it. Ye papa John Dramani Mahama who don't na me ku me ho ma party na compare NDC deputy woman organizer. If you me who say ye John Dramani Mahama be tete maybe or see one maybe cram me ma who biem. Every cram me ma who say me bepe woman organizer kura biem. How would you know? Ashanti need lectures need be wo ho mo ya Ashanti for. Oh mo kire wade. Eya mo fo manim to Ashanti fo ni bi nso so e ye NDC fo ahemfo fo Ashanti fo ahemfo pa ma fo so ye NDC fo nti mo ka asema mo fo manim to kakra MPP ne tribalism epia mu da ben look at the younger generation of politicians ye be breeding mo aba system nim chankra that bi no yes o mo ba be je politics cha generation it do e be dey na Ghana ye develop
me de bia me ka se opomo mo ye tribalistic pa ayobi fufro one will say Ghana hanom won tribe bia your tribalistic but omo time you know no Ashanti for me Ashanti ni okay we take me Ashanti because my papa ya Ashanti ni ma me ya chimni but on say dey na dey so basically no baka so ya chimni because my side na odi ade even though papa ya Ashanti ni and I really love the fact that papa ya Ashanti ni e me ni gie say me ka say you tune for this year emom no mama if you are chim me emu it is also your change in this year tini be ba akopɛ no me ode hye Ashanti me ode hye wa chim me nyen paketwa but see yenyanom sebi nordness ni bi sense me nordness be bre ni ati omonim nyansa yenyanom ma igbefo ni bi ebumani ati omonim nyansa but this girl Muni in question no I no ho say ombu Ashanti fo Muni ombu NDC fo ohun ne ho say owo soro sin NDC fo na aka no na dey me yan say obeka asasem okon the comment section nim na you would see people supporting her And until Abasana, it makes her feels like she's doing something important, but she doesn't know so what she's doing, is going to bring tribal conflict. Share Rwanda conflict is see ya over 100,000 people plus who you know. And say ya, say ya, and say ya. Before I'm realizing you know, then they pay a bunny packet one. And send them a person black and no more. Now mo Jimmy because in there. Peace na mo no krampo moni so hwe Savannah region na mo kronfo edwane akotana Burkina ne kodi won kota ne refugees 48,000 people just one regional. Imagine say the moye no they escalate na say the whole Ghana. Look at what is going to happen. And we are telling you people say stop this tribal politics na emfa hwe embremo but you can na someone somewhere feels like ebia. Let me tell you, the only thing you are looking for is 7% of currency. Because aside that, I don't see sense in what you guys have been even saying. And yeah, TikTok gender minister, I really respect you for doing this. You should say Ashanti first before any political party. Owen say the NDC people doesn't even know that even the Ashanti region gave them more votes than their stronger Ebota region. Uko voter region na MPP any single seat. Akopa enya ye no masan after duma ye nyina schools, hospitals akwan ye wo nyina no. Any stadium na dey nyina no. Omo san tutia ye wo. But almost MPP ni bia ba kasa say abeka maybe no. Almost MPP ni bia kasa no nti ne voter for tribalistic no. And the Ashanti region NDC will 8 seats. MPP strong go. Eastern region MPP strong go. NDC will 9 seats to 10. But have you seen any Achim or Ashanti saying say other people are tribalistic? No. Because Obia baby openo and now say we will join epno de nere or de kakabo. You people should stop dragging and insulting our brothers every single day. Ya bremo. Now this Muni girl no kwade binimba call so who Muni way. Empire there. Maybe one man kasa wa what nas na uti na wo hu a. Ehyebufu papa. I'm telling you. Ehyebufu. But this girl, TikTok gender minister, you've shown how matured and intelligent you are. And I really appreciate the fact say you've proven to me that you are very intelligent. You said a lot of things and I've seen this should send a say I really like what you are doing and Yakupon Shroud for being real Ashanti. Me mama fa politics and kata wani because I'm Ashanti phobia or Ashanti no but politics NDC or one no otimi kata nani edi santimine di otumfo atem what do I say ebusu ya Ghana Asem TV mama ho adwenkyere e wo comment section.